Do you miss Oreos on keto? What about Nutella? There are so many keto-friendly replacements coming on the market today, and you must wonder when you see these products, do they taste like the real thing? So Sarah and I thought it would be fun to pick out a couple products each and do a blind taste test versus their carb-heavy counterparts to see if they compare to the original. This video is sponsored by no one, but subscribe, please. Or if any of these companies want to, I don't know, they might not want to sponsor us after this. What if it's not good? Mm-hmm. So first of all, you should know, if you're new here, I'm Emily and this is my twin sister Sarah, and we have been living a ketogenic lifestyle since 2019. And so that means that we haven't eaten any of this stuff for a long time. Therefore, our taste buds may have changed since then. So it's going to be interesting to see like which one we prefer now, which one tastes better to us now. The other thing is that we kind of decided to do this video kind of late. I could only find one blindfold that was going to get here in time. Should I get my hair out of the way? I cannot see anything though. You could be sticking your finger up my nose and I would not be able to tell.
That's exactly what I was doing.
Really?
So, yeah.
That's because that's what I would do to you.
That's one thing, yeah.
Okay, and the other thing I'm going to say is that, you know, if you are on keto and you're very strict on keto and you are, you know, very particular about what you eat, don't do this at home because I don't know if we're going to be kicked out of ketosis because of this experiment, but it's possible. Sarah and I have been living this way for so long that we feel confident that if we get kicked out of ketosis one day, we're going to be able to go in the next day and go back to the way that we were eating before. But if you feel like you can't stop rubbing your fingers.
I'm not rubbing my fingers.
My hearing is all like amplified.
I wasn't even doing that. I must have been like moving my chair.
Remember in The Bodyguard when Kevin Costner is like in the forest? That's how I am right now. Ow.
Yeah, you're definitely Kevin Costner.
I love that scene. So let's go through what we purchased for this experiment. So first up, Oreos. Did you know that a serving size of Oreos is 3 cookies?
I did not.
I thought a serving size was like 1 row, easily. So each serving of Oreos has 160 calories and 25 grams of carbs. Don't worry though, it has 1 gram of fiber. That's 24 grams of net carbs per serving. Sarah and I live what we call a technically keto lifestyle. We worry about sticking to around 20 net carbs a day. If we hit 25 net carbs a day, we don't stress about it. We're very relaxed here. This another note, if you are the type of person that counts total carbs, this may not be the experiment for you because a lot of these things rely on fiber to bring down the net carbs. And we like to incorporate these kinds of products into our lifestyle about 30% of the time to keep it interesting and to keep us going forever on this lifestyle. Most of the week, we eat pretty simply steak, green vegetables, butter, and then 30% of the time, we eat stuff like this, which is Rip Van Leeuw's sandwich cream cookies. This has 2 cookies per serving, which is 100 calories, 13 grams of total carbs, dietary fiber is 6. It's 5 net carbs per 2 cookies. So, Sarah, you're going to put on this first.
I'm first?
Yeah.
Wait, I don't trust you feeding me anything.
So I have cut both cookies in half. Well, I haven't cut it. I broke them in half.
I don't want you touching your fingers on it. Don't. I hear your stupid mouth doing something.
Okay. First up, we have... There's the plate. No. There.
I feel like the Addams Family hand.
Try that, and then try the second one.
Crunchy. It's sweet. I don't know.
Well, you don't need to know now. You're gonna try.
mean,
Don't wait. You're gonna try the second one. Make sure to swallow everything, and then we're gonna go to the second. Next, we're gonna try this one. There you go. Okay, you've tasted. You have decided which one you think is the Oreo, which one you think is the other one, and which one you like more. You keep that in your brain.
We're sharing the same mask. We're gonna have like eye makeup all over each other. So first up, it's going to be
Okay. What?
The mask is just stupid looking. Your eyes are all droopy. Now it's the other one.
Okay. So, which one do you think was the Oreo? The first or the second one?
The first.
I think the second one was the Oreo. So yeah, we could definitely tell which one was the Oreo.
The crunchiness factor, I felt like they were very similar.
Yes.
The actual cookie.
Right. The Oreo was way sweeter to me, which is why it gave it away.
Yeah.
That doesn't necessarily mean that I would pick the Oreo, though.
Right.
Because this one, it tasted really good.
Yeah, they were very similar.
They are really close. I liked it.
I am definitely a fan of the Leo cookies.
Okay.
I'm glad that we tried this because it was a good comparison.
Next up, we have Nutella versus Chalk Zero's Cocoa Hazelnut Spread. The nutrition facts on the Nutella are 2 tablespoons is about 200 calories, 22 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber though, 21 grams of net carbs per serving. With the Chalk Zero Keto Spread, it's 2 tablespoons as well, 160 calories, 17 grams of carbs, dietary fiber, 16. So that means it has 1 net carb per 2 tablespoons. I was never honestly a Nutella person. I never ordered it on anything. Maybe like as a novelty a couple times I had it. So it'll be interesting because I really have only tasted this product a couple of times. I have tried the white hazelnut spread by Chalk Zero, and that is, I don't know how to say it other than it's disgustingly delicious. Like, so good. And we do have a coupon code if you want to buy anything from Chalk Zero. We will link that in the description. Alrighty, Sarah, you first.
Yep.
So first up, we have.
Should I smell it?
Sure.
Tell me when it's getting close to me. I don't want to get it.
All right.
Is it close?
You're missing. Are you serious? You don't know where your mouth is on your face?
Wait until you try it, okay? That's good.
Okay.
My nose is itchy.
Well, you can scratch your nose. There's nothing against that in the rules.
It tastes like honey.
It tastes like honey.
To me, it tastes like honey. I don't know.
My turn?
Yes. How is it? Yeah, see? Now you're like, I
Is
don't know
it
where my mouth
centered? Is it centered?
Yeah. Watching you going like, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Unless you knock your tooth out or something, that would be bad. Yeah, it's confusing, right?
Okay. The first one you gave me was Chalk Zero.
Mm-hmm.
I think that the Chalk Zero one is dark chocolate.
Yeah, see,
I think that's what threw me off. Is Nutella milk chocolate?
I think so.
See, that might have thrown me off a touch.
Hazelnut spread with cocoa.
Okay.
I just think there is a darkness to it, though.
There's not only a darkness to it, but like this tastes more like dark chocolate than this. This tastes more like milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, which one was Chalk Zero for you?
The second one.
Yes.
Honestly, I don't remember Nutella tasting like that.
Yeah, me
I feel
either.
like my taste buds have changed or something. I didn't mind the Chalk Zero one, but I felt like
it doesn't taste
it wasn't
like
as sweet. Yeah, it doesn't taste like hazelnuts. It smells like it though.
Yeah, it smells more like hazelnut than it tastes like hazelnut.
This one smells more like honey or something. Like,
yeah, it does.
I don't know.
Yeah.
This one has a sweeter taste than actually this one does.
I mean, they're both pretty good.
Yeah.
I think it's like 70% of the way there.
Yeah.
Like, that one just tastes a little bit more chocolatey to me.
And more like honey flavored.
If you like chocolate, you will like that.
Mm-hmm.
Next up, we have good old-fashioned marshmallows versus Smallows by Chalk Zero. So here's our standard marshmallows. 4 pieces, about 29 grams, is 100 calories, 24 carbs, 0 fiber. It's 24 carbs for 4 marshmallows. Here's the Chalk Zero marshmallows. 3 or 4 of these is about 50 calories, 21 grams of total carbs. Dietary fiber is 20, so 1 carb for 4 marshmallows.
Net carb.
Alrighty, Sarah, ready?
As I'll ever be. Smells marshmallowy. Are you touching me? Stop. It kind of melts in the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it tastes like a marshmallow. I don't know.
Okay.
It's not bad. I like it. It's not too sweet.
Alright, next one.
It feels smaller. The girth isn't as much. It feels a little softer, I think. It's starting to break down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think they're very, I don't know. They taste very similar.
Okay.
I would say this one
Well, I mean,
a little bit more chewy.
okay.
a little chewier than the other one. The other one's like softer, like more pillowy.
So
All
right, next up.
Wait, hold on. Your eyes closed. Okay.
Oh. You know, it tastes like Lucky Charms.
Those were my favorite parts in there.
Did they ever make it so you just could buy that?
I don't think so.
It's good. This one's bigger, I think.
Yeah.
This one kind of has a weird kind of aftertaste.
Really?
It tastes kind of like, it doesn't, it's softer or something, but it, okay. So, which one do you prefer? The first one or the second one?
The second one?
Yeah, that's the Chalk Zero one.
Okay. Yeah, I thought it was good. It had a little bit more of a chew, which isn't too bad.
I thought the second one kind of tasted kind of chemically.
Yeah, well, I mean, it has corn syrup, dextrose.
We eat that kind of stuff in keto
But you
stuff,
could
but
taste
there
it
was
more.
there was something that tasted a little chemically on the back end. I really preferred the Chalk Zero one.
Well,
Really good.
yeah. I wonder if it melts
Man,
the same.
what can we use these for? If you guys have any thoughts of like a marshmallow recipe that we should try, let us know. Because I really like these. And I like that it comes individually packed too. Really good. Chalk Zero one wins all the way.
Yep.
Really like that. Last up.
Oh, I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Since Emily hates stinky cheese, I decided to buy this while I was shopping for the ingredients for this video, and I'm excited to have her try it. Looks really smelly.
So one of our favorite things before we started keto was croissants.
Yes.
And a couple months ago, we got to try, because we bought, the always sold out Hero croissants. These are the Hero croissants. And these are just some croissants from Amazon Fresh. The regular croissants have 190 calories, 23 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, so each croissant has 22 grams of net carbs. Wow. And so the Hero croissants, which are sold out and have an 8,000 person waiting list, apparently, we did buy some and we froze them because to have these on hand and have them as a treat, they're worth it. So they are, for one croissant, it's 170 calories, 22 grams of carbs, 20 grams of fiber, so that equals 2 grams of net carbs. Well, I'm going to just maybe snip off a little piece for each of us, and then I think I'll go first on this one.
Yeah,
I'm like
I
super
agree.
excited about.
I'll feed it to you because it's going to be hard for you to grab that little piece.
Right. Gotta fix my bang.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to feed it to you because I don't think you're going to be able to grab it. Ready?
It's cold and wet and weird.
Did you spit it out?
Yeah.
Where did it go?
In this napkin here. Oh my gosh, it tastes vile. It tastes rancid. What is that?
It's blue cheese. I know how much you hate blue cheese.
The second it hit my mouth, I was like,
I was trying to get it like in there, but I had like hit your tooth.
Let me see it. Ew. Oh, it smells really bad. Put it somewhere else. I can smell it. I did not even bother to smell what you were putting in my mouth. I just openly went like, open.
Sorry.
I have something to.
Oh, okay, here. Here's a Diet Sunkist. Back to the croissants. Are you ready?
I still taste it. Okay. Buttery, crispy, melts in my mouth.
Good?
Right. Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Really buttery.
Ready?
I don't know. I mean, I'll think about it.
Okay.
Oh, we did toast these in a little bit of butter, by the way. Don't put that near me.
I was putting it on the floor so you
Oh, so I can't do that to you?
Yeah.
Okay. If this video does well, views-wise, don't worry. I will enact my revenge.
Oh, great.
Here you go. Number 1.
Pretty good. Flaky.
Yeah. Here.
Wow. They're very similar to me.
Okay, so I personally would pick the first one as my favorite. I don't know what the difference is, but I just like
I
the
think I
first
gave
one.
you the hero one first.
Oh. I don't know.
think so.
I liked it.
Yeah, I think I gave you the hero one first.
What about you?
I think I liked the first one.
That's the regular one.
Oh. Yeah, I guess I thought that they were very similar, honestly. This is the hero one?
Yeah.
This is the regular one. This one tastes saltier, but I think that this one is flakier.
Right.
I'm struggling to find the difference between the two. I think that's a good thing.
Yeah, that's a good thing for sure. One thing to note is that when these do come available, they sell out very quick, but they are also handmade in a bakery in Sonoma, California. If you really want them, then they are worth it. They are extremely comparable to this. I actually chose this one over that one. But, yeah. I mean, even then, back in the day, I would have eaten a couple of these anyway.
It's 99% the same.
Right.
Yeah, all of the products were really good today. I'm surprised. I think that we've come a long way in the keto field.
Yeah.
And we're really lucky because when we started keto 20 years ago, we didn't have these sorts of things.
Right. So this is a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want us to try any other products, like you have ideas of like original carb-filled product and its counterpart that's keto friendly, why don't you list it in the comment section and we will look it up and we'll try to do this again sometime. And we are going to be leaving links to all these products in the description below, and if we have an affiliate code or a coupon code for you guys, it's going to be listed so that you guys can get a discount. And if you guys want to see another video that we did kind of like this, where we tried a very special berry that changes your taste buds, and then we tried different keto-friendly foods to see what would happen, you can click right here and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.